Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have a how to remove and how to apply the false lashes. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know many of you guys were asking me how I do it, how do I remove them. So today I got that video for you guys. I was working hard trying to film it for you guys, trying to fit it in with everything that I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see how I remove my lashes, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, love, so the first thing I do when I'm ready to remove my lashes, usually my lashes tend to last me about 2 weeks, and once the 2-week mark comes, I always have to take them off because I always need a fresh set of lashes. So I always stick to every 2 weeks, try to take them off and try to apply new ones. So basically what I do is once I'm ready to take them off, I grab some coconut oil, and I'm going to insert the clip here. I grab some coconut oil, I apply it on the top of my lashes. I let it sit for a little bit, let it sink in, let the coconut melt in the lashes so it's easier to remove. And then once I get the coconut oil there, I start rubbing my eyes, and sometimes the lash can be very difficult to remove, but sometimes it just slides right off, and I love that because it's just so much easier. I don't have to sit there for 10 minutes trying to remove like all the lash glue and the lashes from my eyelashes. So I love the fact that I can just put the coconut oil and then all of it come off. Like, that is just like the best feeling ever, because sometimes it does give me a hard time. It does give me like about 10 minutes just to remove it because it's like really stuck there, but sometimes it's easy. So it depends on how the lash is. By the time 2 weeks come, like sometimes it's already hanging off, so it's easier to remove, and sometimes it's not. But this time around it came out very easy, which I love. I love me an easy removal because it just saves me so much time basically. So once I do that, I brush out my lashes. I make sure there's no glue. If I do have any glue residue, I go back in with the coconut oil and I just rub my lashes together to make sure that all the glue is removed, because before you apply the new set of lashes, you always want to make sure you have nothing on your lashes, no glue, nothing, no makeup. So make sure you clean out your eyes really good and brush them out. I do have this spoolie that they did give me when I first applied lash extensions, so I use that brush still, and I just brush my eyelashes out, make sure there's no residue, no makeup, nothing, and then I get ready to apply the new set of lashes. And here goes the clip right here of me applying the new lashes. I do use the Ardell lash glue. I picked this one up on Amazon. Yeah, on Amazon, and I think it was about $7 or $8. I think it's definitely worth it because this glue, guys, this glue sticks so good. I'm telling you, it lasts me 2 weeks for these lashes. So the glue is awesome. It lasts me a very long time, which I love. And the glue is very easy. It does have a burning sensation, so you definitely want to be careful with the glue because it does tend to burn a little bit if you get too close to the eyeball. It does tend to burn. So I'm just letting you guys know right now that it does have like a sting sensation when you apply the glue to the eye, but other than that, it's very easy to apply. Just grab your tweezers, grab the lashes, and just stick it to your real lashes, and then you're basically done. Like, I find it so much easier now that I have been applying it. I think I've been doing the false lashes for at least 2 months now, and I have got the hang of it. It's just so easy for me now. Before, it was just so difficult for me to apply it. I was like struggling. It used to take me about 20 minutes just to do one eye because I was just so scared of like poking my eye out and stuff like that. But once I got the hang of it, like, I apply my lashes in like 5 minutes, like boom. Like, it's so much easier once you start doing it, and it's like a routine for you. It gets so much easier with time. So don't feel discouraged when you're first doing it, because I'm telling you guys, I was scared. I was like, no, I can't deal with this. Like, this is taking me way too long to apply. But once I got the hang of it, it was all good. It was perfect. Like, now I do it like within 5 minutes, guys. I am done. But I got the hang of it and I love it. I love applying the lashes, because when I wake up in the morning and I don't have makeup, all I see is my lashes, and I'm like, why do I need makeup? I got lashes on. Like, that's how I feel. Like, I love the lashes. Before I wasn't into them, but now that I wake up and I have lashes on my face, I'm like, lashes, honey. Yes, I love me some lashes. I mean, not lashes are not for everyone, but I definitely love it. If you feel like you just want to have a very natural face and you just want to wake up and your lashes are like boom, then I definitely recommend getting the lash extensions. If you do not like them and you are very sensitive, your eyes are very sensitive, then I don't recommend it, because the glue is very, very strong, so you do have to be careful with that. But other than that, that is all I have to say about the lashes. I love them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did give you guys an overview of how to remove them and how I apply them, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves.